Hi, I'm Francesco Francio, Innovation Manager for TRI, and I'm glad to tell the story about the ABB Open Innovation Program. In 2019, ABB, in partnership with TRI, invited over 1,000 technology startup companies to take part in an Open Innovation Challenge. The challenge was to deliver a predictive maintenance solution for Industry 4.0, with a particular emphasis on health, safety, and positive environmental impact. We catch up here with one of the 3 finalists that have deployed the solution through collaboration with ABB over the last year. Hi John, great to see you again. Let's start with a brief introduction about Everactive. Could you tell us more about your company?
Hi Francesco, good to see you as well, and absolutely. So Everactive is a technology startup that was born out of deep research in semiconductors. Over a decade of research has resulted in us developing sensors and monitors that operate without batteries and tirelessly. And what that allows us to do is monitor many more items in manufacturing facilities, and to do so with very, very small amounts of harvested energy, small differences in temperature or indoor light.
Thanks, John. Let's step back for a moment. What led you to join this challenge?
We got excited about the challenge because it aligned really well with the product that we were just releasing to the market. It's a machine health monitor, so focused on monitoring vibrating when rotating equipment. Obviously, ABB has a very long history in that space, and we're doing that in a very novel way, creating new data streams from new assets that haven't previously been monitored. So for us, it was a natural tie-in with the work that we're doing, and we also have a deep relationship with ABB, including their investment in Everactive a couple of years ago.
Well, you say that ABB is a big partner to collaborate with, but what are the features and the benefits of the idea you have developed?
The core benefit of Everactive is producing new data streams, and we do that in these industrial environments by removing batteries. So because you don't have a battery, you can put these monitors in many more places, and what fundamentally that allows you to do is have more insight about a facility, a process, and your machines. So we envision for these kinds of manufacturing facilities a safer, more intelligent environment for operators to know what's going on with their facilities and take action on that data in the future. For us, the real focus of this is that it would help cement the relationship that we've been building with ABB over several years. So it would provide a strong platform to move forward and continue collaborating, where we bring together the best of technology and the best of industry and domain expertise with ABB's long history in motors. We hope it also serves as a great example of that going forward.
Thanks, John. It was a pleasure to have you today here. I wish you good luck for the competition and see you very soon.
Thanks very much. Ciao.